Hi, I'm pretty sure you already know this, but there's gonna be an unboxing video of my Christmas present. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some Yu-Gi-Oh cards inside of there. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here it is. It's the box and got some nice Christmas decorations on it. Very professional, I must admit. Let's get this thing open. See what's inside. Okay. And okay, what is this? Oh, oh, it's a lamp. I got a lamp for Christmas. Would you look at that? I got a lamp. Oh wait, there's something inside. Oh, I didn't think this is. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's stuff inside of this. It's not a lamp. There's stuff inside of here. Okay, let's see here. Oh wow, I got a I got a chocolate Santa Claus, uh, $1 billion, $1 billion chocolate candy. And let's see. Oh, I got some easy cheese, real cheese. American. It's real American cheese. Oh yeah, I can see the Yu-Gi-Oh cards already. Gosh, I'll get to that later. Ring pops. Um, ooh, this will get me a girlfriend because it is kisses, and if you give someone kisses, there is gonna be your boyfriend. And SpongeBob, Krabby Patties on a stick. Let's see what else is here. Summer sausage, some more SpongeBob toys, 3 shaped gummy Krabby Patty candies, some Santa Claus chocolate, no actually marshmallows. You have chocolate covered marshmallows. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about, right here. Ah yeah, Legendary Collection Game Board Edition. Obelisk the Tormentor, Slifer the Sky Dragon, and the Winged Dragon of Ra. All three of the Egyptian god cards. Oh yeah, this is. I'm so happy right now. Yes, I knew I was gonna get Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but I didn't realize they were gonna be so powerful. Oh boy. Oh yeah. This is good. This is good stuff. Oh yeah. Some warheads. I'm getting a lot of candy over here. Icebreakers. I love icebreakers. And these things, which I don't really like these, but I guess I can give them to my friends. So yeah. I thought I was getting a lamp for Christmas, but I got the 3 most powerful cards in the first generation of Yu-Gi-Oh! Yes. Alright. Okay, this is good. Well, I'm gonna unbox this right now, and I'm gonna release that unboxing video tomorrow. And of unboxing this thing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah.